Here we are with round number 2. It's much more windier. Way windier. That ain't blowing much. Here, let me show that one. That'll show. It doesn't show it as much on camera, but how bad the wind really is, but maybe you guys can hear it. Oh, that was a nice lightning, huh? There we go. They said we're supposed to get 80-mile-an-hour winds and hail the size of baseballs. Of course, they always say that. Oh, that was big lightning. I don't like lightning. It scares me. I'm scared of lightning. Oh, yeah. Only in Oklahoma, everyone. Only in Oklahoma.